Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. What did I get done today? Well, not a whole lot, but I did get something done. Let's check it out. Got the motor back out again. What I've done here so far, I started with the hardstone. On here there was a lot of welding slag all the way over, a lot of sharp edges. I just took the hardstone and started this, rounded it all off, got it all the slag, the old slag from the factory welds, all knocked down, all those sharp edges knocked down in here. Whoop, watch your hand, watch the camera, not that. So all of that sharp stuff is gone now. So when I reach in here to do my spark plug wire, change a spark plug or anything like that, again, I'm not slicing myself up. Here, there was a big old line of slag all the way down there. Now, what I'll do is I'll come back with the flapper wheel and take all of this grinding stone marks out of it and smooth it all down, make it look good. I know it's kind of funny, I don't care much about body work, but when it comes to the metal stuff, I want it to look good in places where you never look, I guess. I don't know. Everybody's got their quirks in this, right? Another thing I got marked out here, you can see my Sharpie lines there. That's minimum, that's maximum. I might cut a chunk out of this cross member. It'll come over here too, about this same line here. So I can drop that oil pan down a little farther and I can drop the engine down a little bit. And then what I'll do is I'll cut it square here. I'll do a square cut in, all the way across and back up. Again, this side will match what this side is doing. This is just showing me right where the pan is. This gives me enough room. And then I'll fill it in with a piece of flat bar. Goes up from here to there and just fill it in flat, cap it off, and when I get my other motor mounts, this is just a reference line for me right now. Just in case I have to drop the motor down some more. On that oil pan, I'm really tight right here, and I want to try to do everything I can to not cut the oil pan because they're a mother bear to get to seal back up. But anyway, that's what I've gotten done today. Tomorrow I'll come back with the flapper and go back, you know what I'm talking, the flapper discs. I would have finished it up today, but I haven't got any more flappers. I left them all up at the other shop. So I'll run up there and grab another one of them. I pulled my wiring, pulled my brake lines, because I'm going to redo all them. I got them set over here, so I can just lay them out, rebend them, you know, with the new straight stock. I can bend them all back out and then put them back in. I got a set of brake hoses coming for it, because of course they're rusted in there so good they busted off. So I got new brake lines coming for it, new wheel cylinders, because I ain't even going to take a chance with those wheel cylinders. I'm pretty sure they're dead, so I just ordered 2 more. In the world of rat rods and car building and hot rods and all that, there's one place you can't skimp on, and that's brakes. That's the one portion of the car that I don't even mess around. I just go straight in. If I have to buy parts, I have to buy parts. That's just the way it is. I take the brakes very serious. If it don't go, that's no problem. If it don't stop, that's big problems. But anyway, I got those coming. and another master cylinder too. It is going back manual brakes for now, but they're fine. They're plenty fine. I know there's big myth out there that these big heavy cars got to have disc and all of that. These cars are actually pretty light. It's not true that they're big and heavy, and it'll be fine for this run. Later, I'm gonna work something else in there. You could see when that big block's in there, I got zero room for a vacuum booster. So power brakes on it, it's gonna have to go hydro. And if I got time, I'll go ahead and put the hydro system in it, but I don't know about time. Anyway, and the master cylinder for these is, I got a brand new one for $53. You know, they're not much money, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger on it. I can use it anyway. So meantime, that's where I'm at, and thanks for all my new subscribers. Again, go over there and give Max Wedgie. I love that name. That name is just too cool. Go over and give Max Wedgie a look. He's my 454 winner. You seen in my short that I just did, and I'll tell you, he's got some really cool stuff. I checked his channel out, and I am so happy I did. I'm glad that he was my 454 winner, because I just went off on I could watch it for days. All right, so go give him some like, subscribe, ring his bell, all that stuff, because that guy, he knows how to keep that metal hot. We'll catch you later.